Hi, I'm Graham Simpson. I'm a BASI Level 4 ISTD ski teacher. Welcome to Skiing for Beginners. In this video, we're going to learn to turn while skiing. So now we're going to learn to turn left and right. We're still going to do that in the snowplough. We still want to be in a nice balanced position over the middle of the skis. To turn left, we simply turn the right foot. And to turn right, we simply turn the left foot. We just need to stand on that foot as well though. Stand on the right foot and turn the foot, you'll go left. Stand on the left foot and turn the foot and you'll go right. So as you can see, transferring my weight onto the right ski, turn my foot, I go to the left. I'm transferring my weight onto the left ski, turning my foot, and I go to the right. Nice, smooth, round turns. So now we're going to go into plough parallel, basically bringing the skis parallel towards the end of the turn. Start off in a plough turn. We've already transferred the weight to the downhill ski. This brings the uphill ski light. Then at the end of the turn, we can just bring that ski parallel with the other ski. So I've shifted that weight onto the downhill ski. The uphill ski has become light, and I can just slide that ski parallel with the other ski towards the end of the turn. So in today's video, we've learned how to snowplough turn left and right. We've learned how to plough parallel or match the skis parallel at the end of the turn. And in the next video, we're going to learn how to parallel turn for beginners.